All right, guys, we're out starting the troll. Let's introduce everyone to the crew. We got Will, Andrew, Ethan. Guys, we have a full spread out. We have hopefully a long, fruitful, successful overnight ahead.
We hope so.
So fingers crossed, guys. All right, Andrew, Ethan, walk us through kind of what we got going on with the spread right now, what we're working with.
A 9-rod spread. Essentially, we have here, guys, on those outer tips, these outer riggers. We have a Joe shoot for the value. A value is a winged fish. It's about this long. It has a feather head on it. It's a trolling act behind. There's a little chin weight in it as well. And then inside that, we have side tracker bars, guys. Those are pretty much a spreader bar. Thanks to our friends at Sterling, who came out with this. It's a spreader bar. It has a rudder on it, so it actually goes a little bit out to the side.
You kind of see we have some on the side.
So not only on the outrigger, but you're also further out to the side.
Yes, sir.
We slay tuna on it all the time. And then on the inside here, we have 4 spreader bars with the side trackers. And then we also have the diving plug here.
Diving plug right there.
And then in the center, our holy grail. Extra horsepower.
We have the way back. Excellent.
That's it. Lastly, we have the Holy Grail, jumbo.
Way back.
Joe shoot, only Will reels it in. It's got, guys, look at this reel. This is without a fish on it. We're already down to the braid, guys, with just how far out it is. So this will get dicey. Hopefully.
All right, guys.
I got a live flying fish.
Hopefully birthday big eye. All right, guys. We're on the night bite, fingers crossed. Got some sword lines out. Now we wait and see. Pretty simple. We just literally have some squid rigged up as Ethan and the team have showed you. They catch a flying fish. So, fingers crossed that's the golden ticket, guys. Stay tuned.
Double trouble, first light. You want me to gaff, Ethan? Outside. Alright. Alright. Yeah, baby. Bang. Let's let him go. Oh, look at that. Over the rail. Beautiful. Letting him go. That's 2. Acrobat.
All right.
Booyah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, he's a little guy.
He's having a lot of fun running back and forth.
He is.
Plenty green for you, Carl. I promise you that.
Actually, this one looks a little bit bigger, no? Oh, you got him. There you go. Booyah. Oh, yeah.
Explain. All right, so guys, we got some fish. We're gonna collar the fish and basically chop the heads off, preserve the quality of meat for basically a better sushi.
You don't like it as much when they do it to you, right, though? You don't like being collared.
No, I don't want
Best
to
be
do
careful. So as Will was saying, guys, take the head right off. There he is. How are ya? How are ya? A little hey, how are ya? A little hey, how are ya? Why don't we catch and release that guy?
Okay, ready, guys?
Catch and release. Yeah, baby. Booyah.
Nice. All right, guys.
Booyah.
Nice, a little better style.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
Fish is fish.
Two. Guys, we're jigging. Oh, that's a nice fish. That's a nicer fish. He's ripping. That's on an 80 too. Fuck. Oh.
Hi guys. Just nailed another hammer yellowfin. No, actually, honestly, not a massive giant, but it's a fish. A fish is still a fish, nevertheless, right?
Yeah, right. As Will can tell you guys, size doesn't always
Size doesn't matter. Got the motion of the ocean.
Exactly.
So, anyways, guys, we're continuing on the troll. Hopefully, gonna hammer some more yellowfin. Ethan's been like literally no gloves, just fucking leadering him left and right, guys. So, fingers crossed we get some nice size to the next couple of yellowfin and just continue stack away, stack away.
Get some attitude.
All right, guys, little catch and release. Woo!
We got here, we got our ballyhoo on a Joe shoot, prepared by yours truly. Getting tired yet, buddy?
Love being on the rod.
That's what I thought.
There you go.
Yeah, you're just not great. He's clear now. Yeah, you're good.
Deep color, deep color.
Oh yeah, we do have collar.
What color is it? Deep color. Oh! Going on there. What? Yeah. Yeah, 100%. Yeah. There's a shark here.
Oh yeah. Ooh,
See you later, buddy.
Bye bye. Behind
Awesome.
the scenes. Bang.
Woo!
Where's the shark? I want to see the shark.
Don't be a pain in the ass, small fish.
Come on, you got it.
Oh.
That'll work.
All right.
Textbook release.
All right, guys. What is that? Number 15.
Yeah.
That's pretty solid, guys. You know, none of them have been huge, but it's been 15 of them. It's not too bad. You think it's higher? Maybe 16, 17. Hell, maybe it's 20.
Yeah, got it.
Whatever, guys. It's been crazy. Stay tuned. We're gonna keep it going. Now, putting the pen to work, baby. That's right, baby. Putting it to work. Give me a jar.
I'm going fast.
Give me a gap. Give me a gap. Other corner, hold on.
Got it. That's it.
Make sure you get Carl water.
Got it. Deep color, deep color.
Come on.
The bluefish.
What?
That's a gunner.
That's it. Let's go.
Yes! Yes!
Guys, first name big eye, guys, on the pen 81. Let's go, JB!
What the hell? You can't make that up.
You can't make it up!
Guys,
Look at this thing, guys.
I saw it. I saw it.
lift them, dude. Let's let those roids pay off. Oh, yeah. All right, thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to like and subscribe. Let us know what you like, what you didn't like, what you want to see for next time, and maybe even some more footage of that big bluefin at the end. Thought it was a big eye, but we'll get him next time. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Tight lines.